Welcome to another edition of Composable Does Visio Fridays. I'm on my own this week because the others are busy doing bid response, which is great to hear. And I thought I'd take advantage of this glorious, almost spring weather to step outside into the garden with a cup of tea. Just wanted to talk a bit about this whole concept of composability, because after all, that's where we take the name of our company from. This principle of breaking an organization, an enterprise down into composable components to modules, building blocks at varying sizes. And if you read our blog post on this topic, you'll know what we mean by this, and akin to likening it to having a Lego set to hand. But I just thought I would talk a little bit about how you identify the bits of the organization or your capabilities that you should focus your composable efforts on. Where should you break things down, and where should you become quite small and granular? I think there are two bits to this. There's the capability itself, and then there's some external factors that will affect how fine-grained you want those composable building blocks to be. So from a capability perspective, it's really about focusing on those capabilities which are important and add value to the business and give you your distinct advantage. You could say unique advantage, but actually, the likelihood is that others in your industry also share those same capabilities as well. So let's call them distinct. The other side of it, and which ones really add value to the organisation, and then the other factor is where's the change coming from? So that might be external from the marketplace. So areas where there is a change in customer demand, customer expectation, or in your supply chain or ecosystem, you may want to make those capabilities far more adaptable and flexible to be able to cope with change in the future. But then the other factor is to consider how rapidly technology is evolving to serve that capability. If you get your head around those three factors, so value out of the capability, external change from customers and the marketplace, and technological change, then you start to identify capability spaces that need to be broken down into smaller composable units.